I guess the file was probably too big yesterday. It was a long video from me just rambling on about this crap. Uh, First things first, you're going to unbox your sleeves, uh, check them out, make sure there's no scratches, nicks, or anything in there. Uh, Check your crosshatch. Number one, you want to wash these sleeves, hot soapy water, and then scrub them out. You're gonna, as soon as you pull them out of the water, oil them up with I use a 10 weight oil, and you're gonna get some clean lint-free cloth. Uh, Cotton t-shirt works good. Diapers. My wife works at a textile mill and doing quality control, and they have all these samples where they have to cut and test each one. That's what I use here because I got a room full of this stuff. I usually end up giving a bunch of it away just to keep room. She brings them home all the time. So clean them really good. Check your crosshatch. This one I've already cleaned. A couple of things here to check. Your piston. Take your wrist pin, and you're going to want to make sure your wrist pin goes in there nice and easy. It's not bound up anyway. That one's pretty good. Brand new, so shouldn't be loose. I think most of these things run about 1,000 clearance, somewhere thereabouts. Now, if you're with a used piston, what'll happen is the holes will sometimes distort, so you can't actually get the piston out real easy or in. What happens is it from up and down movement, it stretches. If you measure it, say it's exactly 750 thousandths up and down on the y-axis, then you want to measure it on the x-axis, and it should also be exactly 750 thousandths. Sometimes, because the way they stretch, it'll elongate this way, and when it does that, it pulls the sides closer, so it's actually out around. That's why your pen's sticking. Now, a long time ago, I used to take them over to Sun and Hone, stick them in the hone, give them one way this way, flip it over, give it that way, and then take it out and measure it. Uh, at that point, usually they're not always, but sometimes they're worn out.